Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. So today I want to talk about how honest the affiliates that are promoting products from WarriorPlus, for example, really are. So I'm not sure if you are aware, but I had an issue lately with Warrior Newsjacker because I found out that it is a plugin that I created in a rebranded form. So I created a plugin and sell it on CodeCanyon. It is called Newsomatic, and they took the plugin and rebranded it, just added the Warrior name, the Warrior Newsjacker name to it, and they are selling it on WarriorPlus. So yeah, and I spread the word of this and reached out to people who are promoting the product as affiliates on YouTube, for example, and I commented on their videos. So I searched for Warrior Newsjacker. Let us sort by Viewcount. And for example, this is the first one, the most popular one. Let's pause this. And if we check, my comment is not showing. So they not just ignore it, but also delete it. And this is not just the case of this guy. So if we go and search for
Hey everybody, it's Wade.
Other similar videos, my comments are simply not showing. So, and this is the case of each and every video.
Hey there, boys.
I haven't found one affiliate that has approved my comments in which I tell about the
Hey, what's going on there? It's Jono here from
Warrior Newsjacker. So you can see my comment is not there. I understand that they are making.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric here. And welcome.
I understand that they earn their living from promoting products. However, I don't think that they are honest because they just promote products they really don't use and don't know nothing about. And this is not cool. This affiliate model is, I don't think that it's a good one. So they just promote it and they watch sales come in. They don't really understand what's behind the product and if it is a legal or illegal product. So yeah. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you like my videos. If you do, please subscribe to this channel, and until next time, bye bye.